In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer a Xero subscription to another organization. This walkthrough is perfect if you're moving billing responsibility to a client, handing over an account to a new entity, or simply organizing who pays for the subscription. Before we start, make sure you're signed in to the correct Xero organization and that you have the right permissions. You need to be the current subscriber or have billing access to initiate a transfer. It's also a good idea to confirm the full name and email address of the person who will take over, and let them know to keep an eye on their inbox for the transfer request. Once you're in Xero, look to the top of the screen and click your name or the organization menu. From that menu, open Subscription and Billing. This is where Xero keeps all the details related to plans, invoices, and who currently pays for the subscription. Taking a moment to confirm you're on the right organization page here can save you from sending a transfer to the wrong place. On the subscription, you want to click the three dots menu to open the available actions. Choose Request Transfer. This tells Xero that you want someone else to become the subscriber and take over billing. You're not canceling the subscription, you're simply asking Xero to invite a new party to assume responsibility. You'll now see a short form. Type the new subscriber's first name, then their last name, and finally their email address. Enter these exactly as the recipient uses them in Xero to help ensure the request lands with the right person and is easy for them to accept. If they don't yet have a Xero login, they can create one when they receive the invitation, but using an email they actively check is essential. Consider letting them know which organization this relates to, especially if they manage multiple Xero accounts. When everything looks correct, click Request or Transfer to send it. Xero will email the recipient with instructions to accept the transfer. Until they accept, you remain the subscriber and billing continues as usual. Once they accept, billing moves to them from the effective date that Xero confirms during acceptance. If you don't see a response, follow up with the recipient to check their spam folder or ask an admin on their side to whitelist Xero emails. That's it. You've initiated a clean handover of the subscription. Always double check organization names and recipient details, and keep communication open so the transfer is accepted quickly and without interruptions to service.